In this video, we will talk about the best 5 websites that will provide you some of the genuine promo codes for every website or every software platform you want. So, to get the best 5 promo code websites, we will just have to search it on our Chrome here, and I will search it, and then I will simply show you all the 5 websites there. So let's search best website for promo codes available on your PC. Check for it. Let me just search it on my Google Chrome here right now for coupons. Now here you can see I will simply click on the any website from there, because these all are the reputed website for featuring anything. So click on the LiveWire website here. That is a good research website. From this, here you can see the number is listed. There are top 6 websites that are working right now. So scroll up, and the first website is Honey. In this website, you can simply click on the website here, and it will redirect you to the website. Let me show you. This is the website. You can add it to Chrome and just get promo codes available throughout the world. So this is the first website, and scroll down to get more website here like Retail Me Not. That is the second website, as you can see on the screen. The third is Coupon Cabin. You can also get it on Google Chrome just by searching it, and you can add it as a software or shortcut too on your desktop device. That is the third website, and let me just scroll to the down, and we will show you the fourth website here. That is Slick Deals, and scroll more to get the number 5th. You can read all the details about Slick Deals, that it is one of the best website for promo codes. Number 5th is Deals Plus. That is a too good website too, and you can see that on what platform this website works. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.